Hello, my name is Suvrangshu and I am a student of Siliguri Institute of Technology. I am currently pursuing BTech on Electronics and Communication Engineering. I have been privileged to work at Sikharthy Infotech Private Limited for the past 3 months as an Android Developer Intern, and it's been a great pleasure working with them. I have great exposure to the real IT industry while working at Sikharthy Infotech. I have made my front end skills for developing Android applications much more stronger while working at Sikharthy Infotech. The office environment is very pleasing, the co workers are very supportive, and it's been an honor working for Sikharthy Infotech. Other than this, all the seniors at my office at Sikharthy Infotech Private Limited are very helpful. I have never been felt any kind of problem while doing my work at Sikharthy Infotech. It's been a great pleasure working with them. Thank you.